it is the next day. I think it's day 6 or day 7. I don't know. I think it's day 6. But we're with this dog. Selling at my grandma's. I think it's a mom. We're with America. Dog. And us. And me. Right there. Okay guys, we're going to the Cascada. This hospital. Guys, that's the mommy and that's the that's her child. It started raining midway. Why is this so cute? Dude, I'm gonna fall off here. Baños. Guys, look at this. Oops, that looks scary. Okay guys. Shit. Go, come on now, grab my hand. I'm okay. You can't go back. My sister's a scary cat. If we die, we die. Okay guys, I'm on the swing. But these are too low for me. There's only trees. We have made it, guys.
What the hell are you doing here? Lucy, Pablo, ¿quién es Pablo Luz?
I don't know. Caterpillar, guys, caterpillar. Holy moly, guacamole. Wow, guys, look at that view. We made it, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, we got closer. Oh, yeah. picnic midnight. No, not even midnight. It's 7:25 here in Mexico. My sister got an alien in that bread, in the breads, and they got chocolate milk. Yeah, my sister and my cousin and me. The camera holder, not just kidding. Okay guys, we're watching a movie and eating our snacks. Our bananas right there. And these are the snacks. Oh, really? I got my own chips and they got Ruffles and some, what are those called?
Bread.
Yeah,
Yeah, can you give us some?
and they have chocolates. Okay guys, we're gonna watch the movie. We just picked a random one. I forgot to update you guys in the morning. So what we did in the morning was my sister was trying to do pancakes and it didn't come out good. Then my grandma tried to do it, but it didn't come out good either. And then my sister made egg with salchichas, with sausage. And now we got banana with chocolate, smoothie. Got some fries. It's good. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower. My big ass headache. It's killing me right now. I look like a torta right now, but don't mind. Oh, and also, I'm wearing my Mexico jersey because Mexico won against South Korea. Korea was so close making a goal, but they didn't. Got these bitches mad again. No, just kidding. Don't mind my hair guys right now because I don't give a fuck about my hair right now. I'm not gonna do too much makeup today because I'm not feeling it. I did my hair. I don't know, I'm trying out new things, don't judge. I'm trying out new things. I got these clips to put on the side to see which one looks good. I have black, a dark brown, a light brown, and a brown. I think the black matches today. God, why don't you stick? This is the after. I'm gonna do some TikToks because I'm feeling myself today. Okay, bye guys. Going to my uncle's avocado
It's like a little rancho farm.
it's
like
a farm. It's avocado farms, I think. Avocado farm. Okay guys, so we made a pit stop to La Coca, and we got some chips, and everybody's coming, so I have to go now. Bye. Guys, we made it.
Con granito, pero hay.
Wait, I can't. Where's it? Where's it? Oh, it's right there, guys. Watch out, there's a snake. There's a snake right there. My dad said there
Ya
is.
se ve que alguien entró aquí. Ya se lo robaron. Mira, luego se ve que entraron los malditos.
They stole.
Mira, ¿ya vieron?
Oh!
Look at the mangoes. The mangoes. The avocados are bigger here. ¿Este ya se fue ya para la casa o no?
Ya,
Point at it.
ya se cocen.
The avocados are right there, guys.
Teníamos harto durazno. Ya se lo...
Let's go, because they're leaving us. They're leaving us. Guys, we're trying to get all the way up there. And this is how far we are. Okay, let's keep going.
Look my tinky toes.
Where are they?
I just done.
Juan.
Why are you talking about that? Ah. ¿Cuántos pesos de esto?
Mira. ¿Quién sabe? Pero... Check the brain.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't need.
No. A lo mira aquí no, vámonos.
Vámonos.
Lisa, how are you all the way up there?
Took a break, but it's flat there.
Oh. Guys, look at this amazing view. Oh my goodness.
Escúchale. Mira. Mira, hay una aquí también.
Oh, también por ahí puede subir, como sea, pero todo por allá.
Okay, guys, we're leaving. Okay, guys. Wait for me. So, guys, we made it to the pools.
Sí, su música.
Where's Oscar? Move. Oscar, America, Teresa. We came to celebrate Father's Day. I even did the bathroom.
No.
Es
Ya viene poquito, no viene toda la día. Ahí no sé qué sea.
Chipana, ¿tú qué quieres de tomar? Sí. Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. We came to this restaurant. I'm gonna order a sandwich of ham with fries on the side.
Ivana, are you
And then
sure?
I'm gonna drink a boing and mango. I had a coffee with my sister did because I don't know how to pronounce it. I know the first letter, but not
El kiosco.
el kiosco.
And it's the next day.
Shut the fuck up. You go, you finish.
¿Tú me pediste un jugo de naranja
Sí.
y un boing?
De mango.
Sí. Serían 3.
I'll see you guys when the food's here. My food is here. Got a sandwich and some fries.
Oh, why'd you put my camera that way?
It's because Brisha shaked on the table, guys. I'm so sorry. guys, it's currently the next day. I put blush, curl my lashes, and that's all because we're gonna leave right now. My sister wanted me to do a little bit of makeup on her. A little bit. When I say a little bit, it's very little. I don't know how much is little for you guys, but let's start. Here's my sister. Okay, hello, sis. What's your name?
Ivana.
And what do you want to do today?
I don't know.
A little bit of makeup, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay, guys. I know it's not connected. I'm just pretending. So let's start with this Salish cream. Oopsie. Salish cream. She's been wanting to use it, but I said no because it's mine.
What the hell in the grave? Put some in my mouth.
Look at me.
Vas a tener mucho pelo aquí, mira aquí, todo esto así, y hasta acá así.
Okay. You have to look in it though.
Does that lead me to wear makeup?
We're doing this without permission. So let's hope we don't get in trouble. Now we're gonna use our brush from Rare Beauty. Of course, the Queen. No, just kidding. Oh, the Queen. Wait, let's take some away. So it's not also. She's naturally pretty, guys. She don't need no makeup.
What can I say?
Oh, very cocky. Another one. Where? Where? Is that an actual dog? That's not real.
Wait.
I told you.
My turn.
Okay, your
Your
turn.
turn. Very good.
If you want, I don't know.
Yeah, it is. I don't know.
Oh no! You guys can't. You guys can't.
Oh,